Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Spa pH Increaser. What is Natural Chemistry Spa pH Increaser? Natural Chemistry's Spa pH Increaser raises the pH of water in spas. Spa water should be maintained between a pH of 7.2 and 7.6. Maintaining spa water pH in recommended ranges is key to proper water balance. Product benefits: brings pH level to an ideal range. Maintaining spa water pH in the recommended range is key to proper water balance. Usage directions. Step 1. Test spa water for pH level. Step 2. Compare pH test results to chart on bottle to determine the appropriate amount of Natural Chemistry Spa pH increaser necessary to make an adjustment. Step 3. With the spa not in use and the circulation pump operating, add the required amount directly into the spa water. Continue circulating water for a minimum of 30 minutes. Step 4. Retest and adjust if necessary. Dosage. If pH 7.3, add 1/2 ounce per 400 gallons of water. If pH 7.2, add 1 ounce per 400 gallons of water. If pH less than 7.3, add 2 ounces per 400 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.